Dusty streets of Labasa town, old Musa was nowhere to be found. Left the house for a short little trip, but he found a ton of wow and took a little sip. 1 week gone, then it turned into 2. The family was crying, Musa, where are you? The police search party looking everywhere, but Musa was chilling without a single care. Oh Musa, he's on a Labasa mission, a Kava expedition, searching for the mix with the best condition. Musa is back, bring the basin and the cloth. The prodigal son is coming from the north. Saruika mikana yakona naweka na saluluvu savakara itakiena news ya o Musa etikoga maitabia seganileka sasiviana washout sasiviana mavo tabeti kweloma ni ruku ni vudi. The report was filed, the search was on. They thought our brother Musa was truly gone. Was he lost in the bush? Was he lost at sea? No, he was in the village with a top up for free. Eyes looking red, walking a bit slow. That Labasa waka is the best, you know. Oh Musa, oile na levu ni gunu yakona. From village to village, sayaliti koga. He's on a Labasa mission, a Kava expedition, searching for the mix with the best condition. Musa is back, bring the basin and the cloth. The prodigal son is coming from the north. Saluvu na waka, welcome home Musa. Put the kettle on, no more Kava for